Now, this is a great question. We see money market fund thrown around as a term for cash management, but what does money market fund actually mean? I'm going to break it down for you. The overall term money market fund can actually refer to a range of instruments like a short duration investment grade bond fund, which gives you liquidity but is basically low risk to no risk, or something like the Fullerton SGD Cash Fund, which is more investing into Singapore dollar fixed deposits to give you a set yield. Now, I personally think that money market funds refer to the latter, so something like a Fullerton SGD Cash Fund, and I'm going to tell you what you need to know exactly about what you're investing in when you buy it. Simply put, the Fullerton SGD Cash Fund is a short-term Singapore dollar fixed deposit product, and it's managed by Fullerton. What they do is they take investors' money in and then they invest that into short-term Singapore dollar fixed deposits at a variety of financial institutions. As you can see from their holdings as of the 28th of February, most of these Singapore dollar fixed deposit notes are actually in ultra short-term notes. And when I say ultra short-term, I basically mean fixed deposits of a maturity of 4 weeks or less. So Fullerton will help roll over those notes and reinvest them into what the yield is currently. So in effect, the Fullerton SGD Cash Fund really reflects the real-time yields that you're getting on Singapore dollar fixed deposits. Is the Fullerton SGD Cash Fund risky? I would say no. The only caveat there is that the funds that you invest into it are not SDIC insured because it's a unit trust structure. And because of that, you also have to pay an expense ratio of around 15 basis points. The fund mitigates the risk of any one financial institution failing by spreading out its fixed deposits holdings across multiple banks. When would you use the Fullerton SGD Cash Fund? Well, basically it's for short-term liquidity cash needs because you can get your money back within 2 business days and you're getting interest daily. Important thing to note between the Fullerton SGD Cash Fund, which invests into Singapore dollar fixed deposits, and something like a short duration investment grade bond fund, is that the latter is actually exposed to interest rate risk. Of course, the Fullerton SGD Cash Fund offers lower yields, so you are taking less risk. But if you do want to get a bit more of a yield uplift, then you could also manage your cash via a short duration investment grade bond fund. It's up to you. So there you have it, a quick breakdown of what a money market fund actually is and how I personally view money market funds in Singapore. For more personal finance, money, and investing insights, do give me a follow here or subscribe to my free weekly newsletter at timtalksmoney.com.